Very close.
As expected siguro yun. It's a totally different scenario compared to the first two rounds. But they're a very confident team. Very well coached.
Coach, anong nagdala sa inyo this week?
Number one is Marcel, of course. Number two, I think we were not able to stop Kevin, at least in the second half. He got tired a little bit. And I think that was key. Even if Mark Cruz hit big baskets down the stretch, eventually it was the key stops in the end. I think that enabled us to build a buffer. Maski nakabalik pa sila, we were able to protect that 2-point.
Coach, we noticed that Sanbeda scores or plays better when they run. So, when will we see the running of the Lions?
Never make a stop you can run. It has to be complementary. We cannot run if you don't take a stop. That is why our baseline, as I have told Baser and the rest of the team, has always been to focus on making the stops. It is not the same powerhouse lineup that they had before when they were so big. This is a bunch of players trying to play the rules to their best. The running game will come in to be the best. Of course, they want to run.
Coach, few thoughts on Koga?
Koga's played exceptional basketball all throughout the season. Sometimes he gets his minutes, sometimes he does not play at all. But every time he gets to play, he always gives his best. And I think that is a testament to the kind of attitude and work ethic that he has. The temperament that he carries. He hits big baskets, he hits that big three, and more importantly, he plays tough defense. Kung sino man ang matapat sa kanya. Napakaliit, ano?
How's the feeling going on the cusp of winning 17th championship?
We are not yet thinking about that far ahead. We're just thinking about getting them the rest, preparing the team once again for Saturday. That is how far we are thinking right now. Other than that, nothing else.
Coach, you limited Kevin na last to 3 points sa second half after 15 ng first half. Anong ginawa niyo? What's the difference between the first and the second?
Probably just the time. We played 39 minutes. Took 18 shots. I have to give it to Koga, Anjo, and Rome. Did a tremendous job defending.
Meron ka bang inibag sa fourth quarter's defense?
Wala naman,
Sige.
We played the same way.
But you were down by about 8 points.
Yeah, we played the same way. Siguro yung energy lang ng mga players talaga. Kung hindi man namin makuha sa offense, we have to get it to our defense.